Welcome to the Auto Explorer, the ultimate destination for all things luxury on wheels. Today, we take you on an unforgettable journey inside one of the most anticipated and futuristic creations in the world of motorhomes, the 2026 Ford Motorhome. This isn't just a camper, it's a fully mobile luxury residence, designed to redefine how we travel, live, and experience the open road. At first glance, the 2026 Ford Motorhome commands attention with its bold, futuristic design language. The body features smooth aerodynamics with sharp, defined edges that speak the language of both performance and elegance. Its LED strip lighting, dynamic grille, and sleek matte finish paint jobs available in a variety of premium tones make it stand apart whether it's parked or in motion. From the front fascia to the sculpted rear, everything about this RV screams innovation. What makes this Ford Motorhome truly exceptional is not just its design, but the powerful engineering under the hood. Built on Ford's new eTransit platform, the 2026 version comes fully electric with a dual-motor all-wheel drive setup, with a range of up to 400 miles on a single charge. Powered by Ford's new generation solid-state battery, it promises zero-emission travel without range anxiety. Charging is quick and efficient, reaching 80% in just under 25 minutes using a DC fast charger. Perfect for cross-country adventures without long delays. Step inside, and you're immediately transported into a world of smart luxury. The cabin is nothing short of a high-end hotel suite. At the center of the experience is a spacious living area with plush modular sofas that convert into beds, ambient lighting that adapts to the time of day, and panoramic smart glass windows that tint automatically based on sunlight. Whether you're in the desert or mountains, the views remain stunning without compromising comfort. The kitchen is a masterpiece of compact innovation. Equipped with a convection oven, induction cooktop, built-in refrigerator, dishwasher, and touch control pantry systems, it turns cooking on the road into an absolute joy. The countertop is crafted from recycled composite materials, while a pop-up smart screen provides recipes, grocery lists, and energy usage monitoring in real time. The bedroom is equally impressive, a full-size memory foam bed with cooling technology, reading lights, noise cancellation panels, and a 32-inch hidden smart display ensure rest and entertainment go hand in hand. Storage is clever and abundant, from underbed compartments to overhead automated lockers that open with a voice command. The bathroom is unlike any you've seen in a camper. With a rainfall showerhead, eco-flush toilet, and a sink with touchless faucet, the space is elegant and efficient. The shower also recycles and purifies water mid-use, dramatically improving efficiency without sacrificing luxury. Heating and cooling throughout the vehicle are managed by a zoned climate control system that adapts to external temperatures using AI. One of the most game-changing features is Ford's Smart Drive system. You can switch to autonomous driving mode on highways, allowing you to relax or even take a nap while the vehicle handles the journey safely. Integrated LiDAR sensors and AI-based navigation systems keep the ride smooth and secure, even in challenging weather conditions. Parking, reversing, and even leveling the RV at campsites are automated and controlled via a smartphone app. Tech integration is everywhere, from wireless charging pads to voice-controlled lights, temperature, and blinds. Every inch of the interior is designed to adapt to your comfort. There's also a built-in satellite internet system, 5G support, and Ford's own digital assistant, which helps plan routes, book camping spots, and even suggest activities based on your location. Outside, the 2026 Ford Motorhome doesn't disappoint either. Retractable awnings, a fold-out outdoor kitchen, a solar power roof, and storage compartments with modular furniture options make this vehicle perfect for off-grid adventures. The solar roof can generate up to 1.5 kilowatts, providing backup power even when you're deep in the wild. There's even a drone dock on the roof that allows you to capture aerial views of your journey with just a tap. With safety, comfort, and luxury packed into every inch, the 2026 Ford Motorhome is more than just a camper. It's a bold statement about the future of mobile living. Whether you're a tech lover, a travel enthusiast, or someone who just wants the freedom to explore without leaving home comforts behind, this RV offers the perfect blend of innovation and adventure. Thanks for watching the Auto Explorer. If you're ready to rethink the road trip lifestyle, this is one motorhome you can't afford to ignore. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more futuristic vehicle content.